by its 35th Annual Sports Day for the academic year 2018-19.
May I now request the chief guest to ignite the passion of sporting spirit and make a light glow in order to remove darkness in our lives and to brighten up our future. And that's the school team. Miss R.R.Media, the school people leader, the assistant school people leader Artistry, sports captain Berners, and the assistant sports captain Miss Sweta. And that's the radiant and reflective red Birthday House, led by Joshua Charles, who is a wonderful artist, and the assistant leader Miss Merlin Deborah. That's for your Ibrahim sir. Yes. Mr. Ibrahim receiving a gold medal for training a student to achieve a Guinness record. And the entire Zain family. Yes, Ibrahim sir has done it.
I don't know how to express my gratitude. I'm really speechless now, and I take this opportunity to thank my correspondent sir and madam correspondent, the principal, and my colleagues, everyone.
Joy.
Don't worry, awards will follow.
Dear sir, dear ma'am, good afternoon, and I'm overwhelmed. I actually had a few drops of tears in my eyes because it took me, again, this is the second time sir has invited me as the chief guest, and the nostalgia is hitting me really hard. I'm telling you, dear students and parents, there's nothing like childhood. I'm really overwhelmed today, and I welcome you all. Good afternoon to everyone.
Fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. And Zion School is for discipline. And what is discipline? Creating a kind of respect for God is discipline. We start the day with prayer and we end the day with prayer. And I'm proud that all our children, all over the world, they shine because they are all God-fearing children. If I have a chief guest like Madam Banu here, it is just because of the fear of God that she has in her, which she inherited from her family and which was followed by the institution.
And in the junior category, Ritania of Shakespeare House receives the championship.
Congratulations.
The first place, is it blue or green? for the blue Shakespeare House with 525 points. I request the house master, house mistress, house captain and the assistant captain to come and collect the purpose trophy from our honorable correspondent sir.
Sit down guys, boys sit down. Kneel down.
Mrs. Preeti, we need the ground safe and sound. Master Sam Prakash of class 12 to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to the wonderful gathering. It's my privilege to stand before this august gathering to propose the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I thank the Lord Almighty who has designed and refreshed our souls with a sweet stream of blessing. I take pride in thanking our chief guest, Mrs. Banu Hamid, a person of simplicity and sincerity who shows great care and concern towards Zion Matriculation High Secondary School. Our sincere thanks to you, ma'am. Your presence encourages. Thank you, ma'am.